You guys hear that Honda in the background? Ripping it. What's going on, guys? It is your boy Rish, coming back with another video, man. This is not like one of those topic type videos. Finally gonna start installing my Euro R lip kit, starting with the front lip. Gotta take off the front bumper to get off the fog light stuff, and then pretty sure to insert that or whatever to get things tightened up in there. And I don't know, we'll just go from there. We'll start with that, then the side skirts, then the rear. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for all the support, man. We've been growing tremendously. The subscribers have been just jumping, and we've just been doing our thing. Hopefully you guys stay along for, you know, the whole show. This is just the beginning. We hit 2,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate you guys. We're at like 2,040 already, because we've been like growing like crazy. Shout out to you guys, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. All right, what's going on, guys? You guys hear that Honda in the background? Ripping it. Sound like doing a two-step burnout. So far I only got the top cover off. Then I'm getting the screws off on the side right now. I'm pretty sure underneath I gotta get the tabs and whatnot. And we just keep moving on. There you go, guys. If you have any issues, pry it off. Alright guys, so I got it flipped over so I could take off the fog light cover, pull it off. Alright guys, so for this, the white cover for the fog light, so there's tabs going all the way around, and the ones right here, you see the little lips and whatever whatnot. You just have to pry them off, so you'll be able to just pull that down. But then there's also this one Phillips head that is into this portion right there, so it still holds on. So you can't just yank these things off. You have to take the bumper off and, you know, go through the steps. Just want to share that for you guys, just so you know, and if anyone's wondering, because, you know, the more content for the TSX, the more info out there, especially videos, the merrier. So hope you guys enjoy. Leave a thumbs up. All right guys, so for the life of me, I cannot get this thing on properly. I get like one side on, then the next side is like way too short. It's kind of frustrating, to be honest. This fucking shit keeps moving, so with the tabs, and dude, I honestly don't understand what the hell's going on. Why is it like acting like it's so damn short when it should be the right thing? What I'm doing right now is I'm taking off the side skirts. Just take that off, both sides, and I'm gonna leave the front for right now, because tomorrow my brother is supposed to be coming like right in the morning and whatnot to help me and try to put that on, because I need an extra set of hands that know what the f they're doing too, because this is just not working with me trying to do this big ass thing by myself. So I was trying to test fit it because I don't even have the tape on yet, but nah. So good thing I didn't even put the tape on. So let's get back to this. Say hello. Say hello to the camera, Sky. Oh, it's beautiful. Alright guys, so at the moment I'm adjusting my ride height. I want to see how 3.5 inches is. In here. Let's see where we're at. So measure for the top collar. Almost on it.
Getting that job done.
So I adjusted the ride height. Both sides were at about a 3-inch drop in the front, and I raised it to a 3.5 inch because with this lip kit, I already bottom out in the front end, and I don't want to keep scraping or ruin the lip as much. So I'm trying to prevent it a little bit. I'm gonna see how this 3.5 inch looks. Maybe I might have to go more. Not sure. So we shall see. And I think I'm adjusting the coils correctly. It just squeaks a hella shit ton. So I don't know if I just gotta grease it up and stuff. Leave it in the comments. What do you think? All right, so update where we're at. I took all the side skirts. Front lip I couldn't do because I need an extra set of hands. So my brother's coming tomorrow morning and try to get that on. I raised the front up a 1/2 inch. So it was at a 3-inch drop about, and now it's at a 3.5 inch because I keep bottoming out. My resonator scrapes everywhere I go, even on flat surfaces. So yeah, and I don't want to ruin the beautiful new painted lips because things are expensive. So yeah, with that being said, I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the cam. Peace. What's going on? Back again, next day. Got my brethren right here, man. Early morning, helping me out, give an extra hand because in front's a little complicated. And he brought his little 240 here, you know, a little jet. A little update. Just trying to get off the old 3M tape and put on some new double-sided tape and yeah, get this front end on.
Hey, what are you doing? You just wanted attention, huh?
Afterwards, you just have to put this. So, with the help of my brother, as you guys seen, we got this on pretty smoothly. Found out this isn't actually an OEM bumper. Aftermarket, OEM, distributor, whatever. But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna be looking out for an OEM one for sure. Fitment's good on it, just slightly off in certain areas. Otherwise, it's on there really nice. So I'm gonna put on the bumper now, then get to the side skirts, then to the rear. Yo, what is up, guys? So as you can tell, I got the front bumper on with the lip. It's looking pretty good. It's not an OEM lip, so my fitment is a little off. And there was some sort of accident here, a little fender bender right here in the front. So that's why this is a little off, and on the bash bar there was a little hit. That's why it's a little off right there. And that's why there's like this bumper gap between the headlight and bumper. And obviously the notorious bumper sag right here. But overall, man, this shit is looking nice, yo. And I got the one side skirt on over here. I still had to mess with the fitment over here. Over here is a little funky because I gotta buy one of those tabs for right here, it's missing. Now I'm about to get started on that side skirt. Then I'm gonna get the rear slapped onto, then we're done. So it's not too much left to do, I don't think. So yeah, see you back soon. Now I'm working on the rear bumper. Just took off the old 3M tape or whatever. My fingertips are shot, guys. Like, these shits hurt. Probably don't got any fingerprints left. I'm gonna apply the new 3M tape. First, I'm putting an adhesive promoter. 3M adhesive promoter to help the stickiness. I'm gonna mock it up to exactly where, you know, it lies and whatnot. Then we'll get right to it. It's pretty easy, you know, not much to it, guys. Drop a like, subscribe, yeah. So we got the 3M tape on there, so now I'm just gonna put it on and smush it on and just press it down. TSX build, well, lip kit installed, complete. I got a lot of fitment issues with kind of the rear bumper because the two tabs where the wheels are kind of rusted and broke off, whatever. So I got to figure that out with the tabs wise. Drop a like, subscribe, and leave your comments, man. What do you like to see next? Proceeding on with this Euro R TSX build. Finally got the lip kit on. Hope you guys enjoyed.